Do you want to password protect a file like this? Let me show you how. You're wondering why you want to password protect a folder or file? Well, for security reasons. You put the file on a flash drive, lose the flash drive, and someone picks it up and plugs it in their device and sees what you have. Let's solve that. First thing you're going to need is 7-zip. I'll have the download link in the description of this video. Download it and install it. Now that you have 7-zip installed, let's create a folder. We'll name it test, and then we're going to go into the folder. We're going to create a text file. We'll name that test as well. We're going to open the test file, and we're going to, this is a test, and we're going to save it. Close File Explorer. Now you're going to right click, you're going to go to show more options, and then 7-zip, add to archive. We're going to leave the archive format to 7Z. We're going to create a password. You can create whatever password you want. Just remember to remember the password. Okay, we're going to name the archive something different. We'll name it test1. All right, we're going to click on OK. So there's our test1 archive folder. We're going to delete the original folder. Now, if you double click the archive folder, try to open test, and then open this, it's going to complain that you can't extract the file because it's not decrypted yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click. We're going to do show more options, 7-zip, and extract files. We're going to name the password. Let's open the test, and there we go. We extracted the folder. So let's delete the folder. I'm going to show you something else here. Now, if we go and do show more options, go to 7-zip, extract files. Now, if you click on OK without putting a password in, it's going to prompt you for a password. So we'll go ABC, which is the password I created for the folder. Click on OK, and it extracted the folder again. And there's the file. Okay, so next I'm going to show you something that you're not supposed to do. Okay, so we're going to create another folder. We're going to create a folder. We're going to say test 2. Okay. Same thing. We're going to create a file. Now we're going to close out File Explorer. And here we're going to go 7-zip, add to archive. So if you change the archive format to zip file and then put a password in, name it test2, click on OK. Okay, here's our test2 folder. Click on it, try to open it. All good so far, right? And here's the file. So, but if you try to extract it, let's delete this real quick. And then we're going to extract. I'm going to extract the files. It will show up. So all good so far. We're going to delete that again. Now, so this is a problem. You can extract it without putting a password in if you put the archive format to .zip file. So if you want it to be super secure, please do the .7z, because .7z is a higher security format for that folder. .7z with AES encryption. AES encryption is a solid encryption method. That is it for this episode. If you want more videos like this, subscribe And be sure to turn your bell notification on to stay up with the latest content. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.